Hello everyone, welcome to Install Mania. In this tutorial, I will going to show you how to install Python 3.1.4 on Windows 11 PC. Very fast, I open my browser, then I type python.org, then hit enter. Then this is the download option. From here, I will go to download for Windows, and from here I click on Python 3.14.0, and then this is the download information wizard, so I click on start download button and download is completed. Now I click on open button. Now I click on use admin privilege when installing py.exe. Also click on add python.exe to path, and then click on install now button. It will take few seconds to install on Windows, so we need to wait. So setup is completed. I click on close button. Now I right click on desktop and go to open in terminal, and here I type python dash dash version and hit enter. So we see that Python 3.14.0 is installed on Windows. So that was my video. In this video, I will show you how to install Python 3.14.0 on Windows 11 PC. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you watch this video on YouTube, please subscribe my YouTube channel. If you watch this video on Facebook, please follow my Facebook page. Thank you for watching this video.